Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through how to set up and use auto-generated barcodes in the system. Let's get started. From the home page, navigate to the main menu. Head to the Sales module. Then click on Product. Next, select Product Categories. This will take you to the page where all your product categories are listed. To create a new one, click on Add. Now you can start filling in your category details. First, add a name. Then, set a barcode sequence. In the sequence configuration, you can define a prefix to make your barcodes unique. Once done, click Save. If everything looks good, go ahead and create the category. Important note: once the category is created, avoid switching between manual and automatic inventory valuation or changing the costing method, as this may cause inconsistencies between stock valuation and accounting records. Now let's apply this sequence. Head back to Products from the main menu. Click on Add to create a new product. Enter your product details. Make sure to assign it to the new category we just created. Then click Create. As you can see, the product has been assigned a barcode automatically. Let's add another product under the same category. And here it is. The barcode has been generated following the same sequence. And that's it. You've successfully set up and used auto-generated barcodes in Invent ERP. Thanks for watching.